Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Olufemi Michael. I'm a data analytics instructor. Today we'll be looking at Power Query, and a Power Query will be looking at a particular aspect, and this aspect is how we can make use of Power Query to join two names together. Now, let's say you have a large data set and you want to and you have first name and last name on your data set, and you want them to be in a single column, then you can make use of your Power Query. Power Query is known as extract, transform and load, which means that if you want to clean your data, then you can make use of Power Query, and when you are done, you just close and then you load and you begin your analysis. Now I have my table here. I have first name and last name. So what I want to do is that I want this first name and last name, I want them to be in a single column. So I want them in a single column. So what I will need to do is to first import them to Power Query, and then from Power Query, then I can perform it and then load and close and load back to my Excel to begin my analysis. So now the first thing you will need to do is to select your column header, which I have just done. So the next thing is to click your data. Now you click from table. Now my table has headers, so it has already been checked. So now whenever you see this kind of thing, just when you see my table has headers, just ensure that you click the box, just check, and if you look at my table, it has headers. This is my first name, this is my last name, and we can also see it as our column headers. So that's the reason why you are seeing this box check, this box checked. Now I will just click my OK. Now I'm inside my Power Query editor. Now if you look at here, I have the first name and the last name. So the next thing we are going to do now is to click add column. Now you click your column from example, the drop down here, you click, and then you click from all columns, then you click. Now if you look at here, you see that we have the first name, the last name, and we also have the header check. Now the next thing you are going to do now is this. You will click now and select your more. Now you put a space, then you write the last name, which is Michael. Then you go to the second row, you click. Now what do you notice? Now you can see the other names, they have been joined automatically, but you only see the effect when you click your OK. So now you will now click your OK here. So now the two names are now joined together. So instead of having first name and last name in a single column each, now we now have just a single in a separate column. Sorry, we now have a single column. So the next thing I will do is to remove this column, right click and then remove columns. So here I can now rename it to be name. Good. Now that I'm done, I will click my home. Then the next thing is close and load. So you just click your close and load. So Just wait a bit. So now done. If you now look at here, we now have a single column. So this is how you can go about joining two names together in the use of Power Query. Hope you've learned something. Make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for you to see more of my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.